So let's unbox the Exercise Sport Package Adjustable. Go on.
Oh yeah. We actually found the scissors.
We have scissors.
Yes, we did.
The DPD delivery guy wasn't so happy.
Well, it was only a simple guy, no muscles, normal.
Special delivery.
It's well packed.
I'm gonna enjoy it. So, it says on it 20 kilos. It sounds more than it is.
It feels more than 20 kilos. I would say 20 kilos are only the weights.
Exactly.
I would say the packet is around.
So,
Ooh.
we have some quality weights.
You go first.
Everything is packed well. 1.5 kilos. I'm losing my voice. So let's remove the weights.
For
Yeah.
yeah, that feels about right. 1.5 kilo.
So this set has the ability to create a bar by connecting the I don't remember how you
2 kilos.
yeah. So dumbbells. This is the extension that you just fasten and create a big one. Looks nice. Nice material.
Oh yeah, very soft in your hands. Yeah, like the quality.
And we have the
the adapters you need to assemble it.
So as you see, this is the thing that you put together to create a straight bar by screwing it.
Oh, a long one.
So I don't know how tough it is and how sturdy it's gonna be, but this is a new way of doing it. I don't know, there's all over the place, different brands, they do this. They just create a long bar by connecting the two dumbbells.
Yeah, you can use this as just a dumbbell to just do light.
By the looks of it, the installation and the machining looks decent. It's doesn't mention what type of plastic it is, but
Okay, good.
yeah, you just put your weights on the sides.
No, it doesn't.
You just put it like that. It's gonna be funny to
What weight do you have?
put 1 in 1.
This is a 125. Yeah. Oh, that's that.
You can use it.
I think
You're
that's
supposed to do it
you're
like
supposed
that.
to do it like that, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, it is alright. That it's usually you put them like that,
Oh,
so you can untie them.
because it's It shows it the other way, that's why I did it the other way.
It doesn't matter. Whatever helps.
Whatever's easier, I would suppose.
Yeah. Yep. So they look decent.
Just be sure you actually tighten it. So
Yeah, usually they move around, but it's not gonna make a harm. So that's it.
yeah, I can lift this one too.
This is the Exerzize sport packets of 20 kilos or 44 libras, and it has a quite decent set. And don't forget that you have this. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I believe you have to tighten it enough, and I believe because it goes far enough in, it's gonna be alright to the amount of weight they send, basically. I don't think you're gonna put here 80 kilos and it's gonna be the same thing, but I believe it's enough for the weight of it. Alright, so that's what you get. You get 2 dumbbells and extension thing that creates a long one, and it's very nice, the foamy thing that it has here.
Yeah, it's really comfortable on your hands.
Nice grip. So yep,